And before we continue, I will show you the sponsor of today's video. It's actually a jewelry brand. I even changed my outfit to show you these beautiful pieces which I've got. So this is 2 pieces from the brand Sayabling. It was packed like that. I will show you the cards same time. It's a brand which are making the luxury silver jewelry made from real silver. They're producing the gemstones from laboratory. Such a beautiful packaging. And we will see the first one. I will show you how it looks. The beautiful heart necklace with a chain in a golden color with gemstones in a color of white sapphires, and I just love this model. Also, you can choose the size of a jewelry. I have size 17, and I will show you how it looks on my frame, on my neck. I will just take away the size tag. Look at the beautiful shiny stone and how pretty it looks. I took the shorter version of the necklace. I'm quite petite, but you can check on the site which size do you prefer. This is one of my favorite styles when I have a chain and then some pendant. I already had few of those before and I really needed a new one, and it's just in time. Also, we have a discount code which will be written in the description box, so check please. Also, I think that now Sayabling has discounts for Valentine's Day, so check the site. And this link love heart necklace is also available with red stones in the color of ruby, opal, white or emerald green. And another piece which I've got, also the necklace, it's with white stones, and this is also 100% silver, and it's also the necklace with a pendant in the shape of the hearts. The necklace is, I can show you a little bit closer, so you see the small hearts, and here all the stones are in white color, and the size is also 17. Let's try it also. So here is this beautiful necklace on me, and this one is more like an evening necklace for me. The first one with the golden chain I could imagine to have during a day, and this one is more like an evening vibe, but of course sometimes you can also style it during a day. Also depends on your outfits. By the way, the heart necklace is very similar. It reminded me the Tiffany classical necklace. So if you are looking for something like a Tiffany necklace with perfect quality, not breaking your wallet, then I really recommend you the Sayabling brand. And the second pair of shoes